Hey everyone, I have a special unboxing to do. Come and check it out.
Hey SACC family, how you doing? Kim here. Come check out what I'm making today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment, share, and click the bell to get all the notifications. Thanks for tuning in.
Sweetarts Custom Creations.
S.A.C.C.
Hey everybody, come on in, come on in, come on in. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Today, I'm doing a little bit of an unboxing today. I wind up getting a special package from my sister, Late Night Crafting with Stacey. I love her so much. You got to check out her YouTube channel. And we'll have all of that information, all her information, my sister's information, down below. I hope all of you guys are doing well. If you're new here, hey. If you've already subscribed here, what's up? How y'all doing? My name is Kim. I'm also known as S.A.C.C. or Sweetarts Custom Creations. I am doing just a little bit of this unboxing. Got this great package. It's all decked out with my logo and everything and all my handles. I love my sister. So let's just get right into it. So I ordered something. I told her to surprise me. So let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. Ooh. All I know is the box is big. Now, Late Night Crafting. Oh, you can't see anything. I'm so sorry. Late Night Crafting with Stacey. She does, if you guys don't know, she does a lot of epoxy work, rhinestone work. She does a lot of, whole lot of crafts that she does. You could see that all on her YouTube channel. Okay. Your girl got it open. All right, open the business. Ooh. All right, so we got something here. Okay. Let me see. It's like so big. Trying to see if y'all can see what I see. Let's see if I can bring y'all down a bit. So y'all can see. So I got something. I don't know what this is, but got something there. And ooh, it's packed really well. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, it's really big. Ooh. Ooh, I don't know. Ooh. I think that's everything in the box. Yes. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Let me put away these scissors. All right, guys. Oh, why am I putting away the scissors? Why y'all not telling me nothing? I'm putting away the scissors, and I need the scissors to cut this open. Oh, I don't know where to cut. I don't want to cut nothing. Oh, I hope everybody is doing well today. And if not, well, I know later on today will be better. It will be better. It will get better, okay? Oh, it's wrapped so good. Oh, wait. Oh, don't. Oh, can I lay it on the side? I don't know. Okay. She made sure your sister was going to get this chair. That's right. Y'all know how the postman be. Oh, my goodness. They just do whatever with the package. Okay. Oh. All right. Let's unpack all the bubble wrap. S.A.C.C. Ooh, can y'all see it through? Oh, y'all can't see it. I see something through this bubble wrap. I see something. Ooh. Okay, gotta turn it this way. Ooh, can y'all see it? Uh-oh. Oh. Ain't nothing like some the best Uni UV Resin to fix this right here. I will fix that. Don't worry, don't worry. Oh my God, it is amazing. Do y'all see it? Oh. There's a little mishap right here, but I'm going to fix that. I will fix that. Oh, it looks gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, I don't even know. Is there something to cut down here? Oh, I don't want to cut nothing off. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, try not to slam in y'all ear. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry y'all. Yes, girl, come through. Come through, Stacey. Come through, sis. Yes, yes. Show them how you do. Show them how you do. Oh my goodness. As I said, I told you she's wonderful. Look at that. Look. Do y'all? Oh, y'all don't see y'all. Oh, I wish I could give y'all the full view. Don't look at this. Don't look at this. It's supposed to go like this. I'm gonna fix that right now. While y'all on camera, while y'all here, I will fix that with the best Uni Resin. Oh, it got S.A.C.C. Oh, do y'all see that? I didn't even see it just now. It's amazing. Amazing, amazing. And I got this other little thing. She said she put another little thing in here. An extra. That's because my sister loved me. Oh, I love Stacey. Oh, she wrapped it so nice. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love cry. I love it. Oh, sorry, y'all don't see. Sorry. Oh, why I love it. Sorry. This is so cute. I love it. 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 Oh my goodness. Girl, you done outdid yourself for me. I love it, sis. Oh, who you know? Oh, y'all just look at this part for a second, okay? Look at that for a second while I go get the best Uni UV resin and my little lights. And I'm going to fix that. Watch. It's supposed to... Oh, there is a... Just wait. Just wait. I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, so I'm going to use the best Uni UV resin and my UV light. Let me see if I can fix y'all a little bit. Oops, I don't want y'all to come off. I just want to fix y'all a bit. Okay, so what I'm going to wind up doing is I'm going to just put some UV resin. Let me move this. I should put a paper just in case. Put something down. You know what? I got all this bubble wrap. Just in case. If any drop, I don't want anything to happen here. All right. So I'm going to use the best Uni UV resin as like a glue, so to speak. To hold everything kind of sort of together. Oh, I may need to stick my fingers in two parts. And then oh, it's dripping. Oh my God. Oh, oh. Oh, hold it. Look at that. Just a few seconds. Did y'all see? Oh, y'all can't even see what just happened. I'm sorry. Y'all didn't even see it. Dang. I thought y'all could see it. I just put the best Uni UV resin in between. And now I'm curing it. Oh, sorry, y'all. Sorry. So sorry. And I'm curing it. And it's holding. I was holding it there first. And then this is some good. You hear this? Good. She also has ink, Eco Solvent ink. Now you got to check her on the website. I will put her link in the description down below. Let me see if that's enough. I'm hoping that's enough. Oh, it's still a little sticky. It's like good at the top, but it's sticky. I need like a mirror. So this is another reason why when I use my UV lamp, I use aluminum foil because it's reflective and it will reflect the light right back onto itself, onto the item. I know almost give like a 360. And so I'm going to try to cover so y'all don't get the light in y'all face. But I got to cure the other side. Okay. That seems pretty solid. Okay. Amazing. Amazing. And so let me turn off this light because it has a little trick. Doo-doo-doo. Let me see. Where's the... Just like that. Hold that. Let me see. Let me turn this off. See if I turn this off. Can y'all see it? Looky, looky. I have the cookies. I got the cream. I got all the sweet arts. Okay. Look at that. Do y'all see it, baby? Do y'all see it? Huh? Come through, Stacey. Come through. Y'all need to go check her out. Late Night Crafting with Stacey. That's my sister, y'all. I thank y'all so much for tuning in for this unboxing of this beautiful, beautiful creation right here. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. S.A.C.C. I love you, girl. Thanks so much. It is amazing. You do phenomenal work. I love you.
Sweethearts Custom Creations. Sweethearts Custom Creations.
They call me, I'm a custom creation, help changing the nation. I'm a doula by nature, bringing birth to this nation. Create custom apparel, baby, drinkware, jewelry, stationery, and 420 gaming. Got my crown on my head and my Timbs on my feet, bringing New York City back on the scene, singing, singing.
Custom Creations. Custom Creation.
She's the queen of New York, the sublimation goddess. Can't nobody hold it out. Her products the hottest. Not a novice, a perfectionist. Y'all think she robotic. Colors popping in your eyeballs, that shit be hypnotic. Hey, watch her put her thing down, bling be like wow, wow. That's the magic power, never put her crown down. She's the queen, call her S.A.C.C. Make a purchase and you'll call her sweet.
Custom Creation. Can't nobody hold her down. Can't nobody stop her now. Can't nobody put her down. Can't nobody hold her down. Can't nobody stop her now. Oh, can't nobody put her down.
For the latest and greatest in sublimation, visit sweetartscustomcreations.com.
Thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all have a blessed one. Peace.